Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung Dishwasher DW80R2031US normal light blinking temperature sensor check. Fix 1 safety and reset first. First of all, you have to turn off the water supply located under the sink. Disconnect the power for 10 to 15 minutes and perform a hard reset on a control board after the power is restored. Fix 2 clearing a leak sensor error blinking normal light. You just have to remove the lower front kick plate using a screwdriver. Shine a flashlight into a bottom base pan and you have to soak up any standing water or moisture using a towel or sponge. Dry the cytofoam float switch and wipe the moisture sensor clean. Inspect the hoses, the drain pump and a tube connection for an active leak before putting the panel back. Fix 3. Checking the temperature sensor. Inspect the wiring harmless plug for loose connection, breaks or correction. Set the multimeter to ohm scale approximately 20,000 ohms. Touch multimeter. Props to a sensor terminal at a room temperature. A healthy sensor should measure approximately 11,000 to 15,000 ohms. Refer to a specific text sheet for an exact resistance value. Replace the thermostat if shows zero or infinity resistance.